This week's planner of the week is Miss Tony Chambers. We are so proud and excited of the $3 vase she created with the 2 Pfizer glasses and the fishbowl. Your recreation of our centerpiece is absolutely fantastic. Keep up the good work. Let's get started with this week's project. We got a request from one of our community members, and her name is Alta. And Alta writes, "Hi, MissPlanIt." Hi, Alta. "I cannot begin to tell you how appreciative I am of your incredible talent." Thank you. "I am a DIY kind of lady myself. I need your wisdom regarding this beautiful centerpiece that I would love to make for my little girl's quinceañera. I want to create a beautiful garden centerpiece and theme throughout the venue. I am also working on a very tight budget. I already have beautiful vases and some manzanilla branches along with hanging jewels from previous parties. Please help me create this beautiful, elaborate centerpiece. I want it to be very busy looking just like this one, but in very good taste." Okay, thank you in advance, Alta. Well, I think we hit it right on the nail, Alta. I think you're going to absolutely love this week's project, our tall rose blossom tree. Okay, let's get started. Our first step is to spray paint our wood plaque as well as our branches. You can spray paint them any color you would like. Once the spray paint has dried, it's time to create our base and attach our branches. The branches are very light in weight and it doesn't take much to attach them to your foam cube. You're simply going to make an indentation, put a little hot glue into that indentation you've just created, and then replace the branch right into the hole. Give it at least 10 minutes to adhere and you are ready to start building your rose blossoms. Next, with a little hot glue, you're going to attach 2 3-inch foam balls, 2 2-inch foam balls, and 2 1.5-inch foam balls at various spots on your branches. So next I cut pearl garland at different lengths, anywhere from 1 foot to 2 feet, sometimes a half a foot, 6 inches. And you'll notice that I attached a single mini rose blossom to the ends of it, just with a little dab of hot glue. To secure it on the branches, make sure you drape it how you would like it first, and then place just a little dab of hot glue on the branch underneath the pearl garland. So you're just going to continue that, draping it at various lengths, whatever you would like. To add another little touch of glam, I added some different length strands of iridescent bead garland, just draping it with the same steps as we did with the pearl garland. You're going to drape it how you would like, and then add a dab of hot glue underneath the strand where it's attached to the branch. So the key to keeping the project cost down is the Dollar Tree. It is well worth your searching and well worth the savings to find every rose, be it your mini roses or your larger ones. And you're simply going to add them to each one of the balls. And what I choose to do is, whatever I do on the 1-inch ball, maybe lower on the centerpiece, I repeat that on the other 1-inch ball. And so that way you have some symmetry and you have some color variation at the same time. Well, Alta, what do you think? Absolutely gorgeous, huh? We are so excited about how this project turned out. We love the price cost also. These type of centerpieces can cost upwards of $100 a piece. And so we are just so happy that we were able to create this for a fraction of the cost. Don't forget, if you'd like the free bonus clip, go ahead and click on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you right to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and you can watch the free bonus clip. Please be sure to subscribe if you want to be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And by all means, write a comment, send us your questions. We are here to help you. Don't forget also that if you would like to support us for as little as $1 a month, 3 cents a day, head on over to our Patreon site, patreon.com/MissPlanIt, and you can join me every week as I do DIY projects for my home, for different projects that I'm working on for different family members, and just hang out with me a little bit more. So check us out on patreon.com/MissPlanIt. If you would like to submit a project request, please go ahead and head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. Click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. You can also simply go down to the description, click on that upside down triangle, and you will find a link to our project request. You will find a link to our Patreon channel. You will also find links to the Ebates rebate, which you can make money while you spend money. I love Ebates. In addition to that, you have the links to all of our project supplies as well as the project cost right at your fingertips. We are so grateful that you choose to join us every week, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. So, once again, we appreciate you spending this time with us. We know you have so many options, and we just love hanging out with you. So, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on this planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.